This is YouTube is awesome 1616 account. Please watch, please like, and subscribe. Just hit that subscribe button down below, please, and you'll get and at least like 15 of my videos, and I will like a bunch of your videos back in return.
So this is slime that we made
like a while ago. I also made it with my cousin when she was here.
So she made it with Tide shaving gel, and also she used puzzle glue.
It was Tide detergent, regular Elmer's white glue, and a little bit of Clear's Elmer's glue. That's why it's like, whoa, bubble! Oh my gosh! I also did puzzle glue, like she said. I also added some glitter into it. If you can't tell, it's like really like barely. Hey, that's a better view. Where can you get that there? Oh, that's better. I like that. Sorry, we just figured out our view.
Okay, so
can I empty this bag?
Yeah. So if you don't
want to waste, can we put it in a bucket?
Sure. If you don't want to waste a ton of money on just making slime, go to the Dollar Tree, and all you have to do is you buy a bag of glue. It's like in a box, and it's only
just put it in a bucket.
$1 for 2 things of glue. Wait, the bucket's gross.
It doesn't matter. At this point, I don't care.
So you buy 2 things of glue in a box for $1, and then you buy shaving cream for $1 of boy shaving cream, and then you also buy a tiny thing of Tide, just probably like this big.
This is better.
And it's filled up to the top.
Can you help me?
Yeah. And it's filled up to the top. And it's only $3 for this.
Put the aluminum foil over this, and would that work?
For what?
To keep this covered instead of putting it in a plastic baggie. Right? What? What? No.
It's yours.
Yeah. Oh no. My hair ties. Oh jeez.
Let me mix this in.
I'm gonna just like put that there. There's some lotion if we need it. This is Baby Johnson's lotion. I love Baby Johnson's, to be honest with you. It makes your hair like really good.
And if you want,
I mean, not your hair. But can you go get shaving cream? Sure. Wait, actually, I'll get it. Can you just make sure that doesn't spill? Because I have to throw those bags out.
Mm-hmm.
I have to get this off my hands too. Try to get
just go get it.
It's fine.
I'll go get it.
Get a lot though. Okay, I'm gonna just keep you company when my friend go gets the special shaving cream. Well, she's not gonna get the whole bottle because we don't like letting you see what brand we use. So yeah, this is our slime in the bucket because it just started getting all over the counter. So if you want to use it, you just put aluminum foil over it because I don't want to use a bag at this point because like slime's gonna get really bad. Oops. Okay, I'm gonna add a bunch of lotion. We may have to do a part 2 because my YouTube account only goes up to 10 minutes for some random reason. But yeah. Sorry, I just got my mom coming up. I told you not to come up because we were doing a YouTube video. They don't really know that I have a YouTube channel, but is it a lot? I had to figure out what bottle it was. What? I had to figure out what bottle it was. Okay, I'll get the rest up. Shut the door. I'm unlocking the door. I would. I mean, just say I had shaving cream for my aunt still.
Well, if I get it off my hand right now, then you won't be like, oh, it's on my Fitbit. No, sorry. Son.
Should you take your Fitbit off?
Yeah, I will in a second.
Because my hands are almost clean.
Here, watch out real quick so I can just get it off my hand and then get it off the Fitbit.
Whoa.
See, doesn't it feel better? Less sticky, right?
Yeah. Can we still have lotion in it though?
Yeah. Just don't add too much or else it makes it sticky.
Can I tell you something? I know my dad's backup of shaving cream is. That's what I used.
Is it the clear one?
Yeah.
A little
blue
gold?
one.
I use gold. I use gold.
Yeah, but there's also one in the closet, so it's the same thing. But did you go in the drawer? I heard Casey vacuuming, so.
Watch out. Oh, yes, it's coming out.
Are you going to take your Fitbit off?
Yeah. I always do when I'm playing with slime, but I just
forgot.
Yeah.
Sorry.
No, it's fine.
But, yeah, the slime's turning out better.
As we add shaving cream to it.
Yeah. This is like clay, because this was a really bad slime. And so now it's like instant clay and it makes the slime better. So I love just putting it in there. This was the Nickelodeon slime. Never buy it. It's a waste of money. Like literally. And it smells disgusting.
You just shut your face. I don't care
at this point. Because I'm not starting the video.
Really watch it real quick. Just gonna get it off my Fitbit.
Whoa. Counter. Can you hold this over the bag real fast?
Hold on.
Can you hold this over?
I can't get this Fitbit right, so I have to turn it off.
Wait, was that for your report card money?
Yeah.
How much was it?
150.
Oh, not bad. My Fitbit doesn't work.
Do you have like a...
Try to throw this out. You could keep that. Should I just throw this bag out?
Yeah.
Are they going to see it? Wait, I'm going to do it in my room garbage bag.
Why? They don't go in it?
No. I say, this is what, you don't want to see what, can you open the door?
Yeah, hold on. Okay.
Uh-oh. What? Sorry.
We're just gonna have to step on your steps, so we'll go that.
Sorry guys, this is like a slime disaster. Okay. This is so much better. I love this slime.
Here, take it out of the bucket now.
No. But can I keep it in the bucket, like when we put it back? Because it's easier if my mom catches us. You can just put it in, right?
Mm-hmm.
So much awesome. Okay, now I'm taking it out for you guys.
Just for you guys.
Yeah, literally just for you guys, because it's really hard to get in and out the bucket. Ew, there's hair in it, but I don't really care at this point.
You?
Here, put
Do
it
you
in.
have glue? I don't have any more glue.
I don't have any either.
I'm gonna ask my grandpa if he would take me to the Dollar Tree because he lives right next to the Dollar Tree. So then I'm gonna buy like 3 packs of glue, which is
$3.
Yeah, and it's only
Sometimes it's cents.
3. And so I have 6 bottles of glue. That's a lot of lotion. No more lotion.
It's my lotion.
Yeah, I know, but lotion makes
Oh,
it sticky.
yeah. But also get more shaving cream. Sorry guys, our camera angle isn't that good today, right? This is my first video actually showing you like my body. Yeah, this video is gonna end soon, so I think we're gonna do like a part 2. I think. Do you want to do a part 2?
Sure.
We're gonna be wearing the same outfit though. I love this song. Do you? Bye guys, please subscribe.